After you've chosen your import settings, click Next. Then choose the MARC file that you want to import. The file will end in .mrc. Click Next. You will be able to preview the records before they are imported. You will be able to filter the records by All Records, Matches Only, and Non-Matches Only. And you can preview the records in Basic or MARC View. The imported record will be shown on the left, and if there is a matching record already in your database, you will see that on the right. So you will be able to compare the two records. A Cancel button appears on the top right corner of the Preview and Approve panel. Click Cancel if you don't want to go further in the import process. The Approve button to approve all records in the list for import, regardless of their matching status. For records that were originally skipped, using Approve All will approve them for import and suggest an import action. Records are automatically matched or skipped depending on the matching options you chose on the Set Options step. Records that were not matched but were approved and will be imported normally are shown in the list in white. Records for which Surpass Cloud has found matches and are approved for import are highlighted in blue. Records for which a match could not be made are highlighted in pink. You will also be able to approve or skip records, see what the records, if they have found a match, are matched on, what action is being taken in the import, the title of the record, the author, and the barcode number. In this example, you will see that the first two are new titles. However, the third record is adding a holding because it matches on the title above it. You can see what it is matching on in the Match On column. The Action column tells how the match will be handled. The action that Surpass Cloud selects is based on the default match action that you chose on the Set Options step. For each individual record in the list, you can select from a drop-down menu with the following options. New title. The imported record will be imported as a new, separate title, and the existing record will be untouched. Add holding. A new holding is added to the existing record. Except for the addition of a holding, the original MARC record will remain unchanged. Add holding and replace. A new holding is added to the existing record, and the existing record's MARC information is replaced with the new record. Replace. The existing record's MARC information is replaced with the imported record. No holdings are added. Delete. The matched record is not imported, and the record from your database that is matched is deleted or changed to withdrawn status, depending on whether there is any circulation history associated with it. If barcodes in the import file are the same as ones that are already in use in your database, you will see a message letting you know. You will see the duplicate barcode numbers in the list followed by an asterisk. If you import the records, the barcode numbers will be reassigned. This might cause the barcodes of other imported records to be reassigned also. If you proceed with the import process, be sure to print a copy of the detail report. This is available at the conclusion of the import process and will show you which barcodes were reassigned. When you are ready to import, click Next. You will see a message saying that the resource import is in progress. And when it is finished, you will be able to see a summary report and a detail report. The summary report shows the number of titles and holdings imported and the match actions taken. Click here to switch between the reports. The reports can be printed or downloaded. The Import Detail report lists all resources imported, how they were matched, the action taken, the barcode from the imported file, if any, and the barcode assigned to the holdings in your Surpass database. At this point, the import process is complete.